Hello there, I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel we talk about all things tech. If it's got lights or buttons, we're definitely going to talk about it. When most people think about DJI, they think about drones or gimbals, but now they've come out with the DJI Wireless Mic. Over the past couple of weeks, I've had the chance to play with the DJI Wireless Mic, and it's quickly become my favorite wireless mic. But let's talk more about that later. First of all, let's talk about what's included in the box. The DJI microphone comes with 2 microphones, 1 receiver, this awesome charging case, that's my favorite part, a 3.5 TRS cable, a USB-C adapter, a lightning adapter, 2 microphone windscreens, 2 magnetic clips that allow you to attach the microphones to your shirt, this awesome cinch bag that kind of keeps it all in one place, as well as a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. As you can see, the DJI Wireless Mic comes with pretty much anything you need to connect it to pretty much anything you'd like, whether that's your smartphone or your laptop or computer or your camera. Overall, the build quality of the DJI Wireless Mic is pretty great. It's either hard, refined, smooth plastics, or some metal elements as well. At the time of this recording, the DJI Wireless Mic was priced $30 more than the Rode Wireless Go 2, which most would agree is probably its closest competitor. For that $30, I would say this is the biggest reason why it's a little bit more expensive, is this awesome charging case. The charging case is my favorite part when it comes to the DJI Wireless Mic. Not only does it have a place for the mics and the receiver, but also a couple of the adapters as well. But the best part about it is that it allows you to charge both the mics and the receiver off of one single USB-C cable. But it doesn't stop there. This is not just a charging case, this also has a built-in battery. That battery can charge the microphones and the receiver up to 2 times. So when you combine the battery of the microphones and the receivers at 5 hours, and you say that they can be charged up to 2 times with this battery case, that means that with the case, you have up to 15 hours of use on this system. One thing that does not come with the DJI Wireless Mic is a lavalier. On each of the mic packs, it does have the ability to plug in a lavalier, but it doesn't come with one itself. That being said, I think the microphones that are built into each mic pack are pretty solid. Here's my audio when I'm using my studio mic, and here's the audio that's coming off of the DJI Wireless Mic. So when you open the case for the DJI Wireless Mic, it turns on both the microphones as well as the receiver. The touchscreen of the receiver turns on, and you can see with the green lights that all of them are paired together. Around the body of the microphone, there's a power button and a USB-C port. On the top of it, there's a microphone as well as a spot to plug in a lavalier. On the other side, there's a linking button or a record button. That record button is the button that allows you to record locally to this microphone pack without the receiver active or turned on, or as a backup just in case you happen to drop signal while you're recording. On the bottom of the mic pack, you can see that there's a little spot or contacts for where it charges in the charging case. On the back of it, this metal clip that allows you to clip it to your shirt, and as well as the tiny little magnet that allows you to clip it to your shirt via magnet versus the clip itself. On the receiver, on the side, you have an out, which is your actual signal out, as well as a headphone port so you can locally monitor the volume that's coming into the receiver. On the front, there's a touchscreen. On the other side, there's a USB-C port and a power button. On the top, there's a DJI logo. On the bottom itself, it's got the place where the different connectors connect, as well as a spot where you can tell it charges. The clip on the bottom of the receiver is plastic, and between the two of them, it seems like it's a little weaker than the mic. This is the one that makes me worry of how this will hold up over time. The DJI wireless microphone system uses the 2.4 GHz frequency band and allows for up to 250 meters of range. But if that range or frequency isn't working for you and you're having some trouble, you can also locally record on each of the microphones. You just press the record button either on the touchscreen of the receiver or on the side of the mic, and it will start to record locally, which means you can use this microphone as a standalone audio recorder, or you can set it up to record locally as a backup to what's being transmitted to the receiver as well. And when it comes time to retrieve those files that you recorded locally on one of the microphones, it's as simple as plugging in the microphone via USB-C to your computer. It shows up just like a hard drive or USB drive would, and you can drag and drop the different clips that you've recorded directly to your computer, which is a huge advantage over the Rode Wireless Go 2 and the clunky way that you have to retrieve your files off of the microphone. Each of the microphone packs allow you to record up to 14 hours of 24-bit lossless audio. So as you can see, the DJI Wireless Mic gives you multiple options to make sure that you can always get great audio. The touchscreen on the receiver uses different gestures you can navigate to and adjust any setting that you need to right there on the touchscreen. If you go through it a few times and touch around and swipe around, you can really figure it out in a couple of minutes. So on each of the mic packs, you have the option to use this windscreen or dead cat if you happen to be out where it's windy. And the system's really nice. It just kind of rotates in and then locks in, and you can see it's a nice secure connection. And you just rotate it to either connect it or to disconnect it. There's a lot of great things to say about the DJI wireless mic. That being said, there are a couple of key opportunities. The clip on the receiver is overall a worry for me. I'm very interested to see how it lasts over time. Clips on the microphone seem to be a little bit more solid, but still I wonder how they'll hold up over time. Another opportunity is that I wish that there was a place to include the TRS cable and the windscreens inside of the charging case as well. That being said, even with a couple of these opportunities, the DJI wireless mic is my new go-to wireless mic. Have you had a chance to play with the DJI wireless mic? If you have, drop a comment below and let me know what are some of your favorite things and what are some of your opportunities that you see with it. DJI makes some of my favorite things that come with lights or buttons, and it looks like we can add the DJI wireless mic to that list. I'm BobbyInBlue, and on this channel we talk about all things tech. And if you love tech like I love tech, then you'll definitely want to subscribe below. Don't forget to drop us a like if you got any value out of this video, and we'll see you in the next one.